Well, welcome to another edition of Pickin Produce. Today I'm going to show you something a little different. I'm going to show you how to make a watermelon boat. These are really good around holidays, things like that. But it don't take long. Well, you need a knife for this watermelon and an ice cream scoop. And you take the scoop and you just make little balls out of it. Just go around and make little balls. Don't have to be perfect because you're going to eat them anyway. It takes a little while to make these puppies, but they sure can look pretty when you get through with them. You can put in anything you really want to with them. You know, cantaloupe, maybe strawberries, pineapple, whatever suits your fancy. So just keep on scooping. You get a lot of juice in this one. It's good watermelon here. You can go down as deep as you want to go. You want to, you can even use the smaller dipper things like, okay, this one I've got a good point, so I'm going to empty all the juice. Alright, now for the inserts. First, put the little pineapple in here. A little bit start off. Then I got a mixture here of watermelon, mango, and honeydew. I have to turn this way because it's leaning this way. Throw that in there. Spread a little more this on there. Just on this watermelon, try to stay steady. There you go. That's a little bit. Just keep on keeping on. Put in what you want. That's a good part right there. Okay. Take these little watermelon balls, put them all around. Best you can. Making sure to pretty. You're going to add something else to it, which I'm going to. Whatever you need to make it look good. These balls, they're picky, they'll fall off, no problem. I guarantee you that part. Almost through this puppy. There. We're going to throw a few strawberries in there, get a little bit of color. Oh, there's one. Watermelon. Just a couple of flavors, not too many. Oops, that wasn't good either. Okay. Blueberries. There we go. It's ready to go. Just kind of just straighten up the balls a little bit sometimes, throw some more strawberries in there. But that's it. I appreciate y'all taking time to sit here and listen to me, whatever I'm doing. But thank you very much. Please hit the like. It don't cost nothing. Subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good day now. Bye-bye.